Amma is a young girl who loves her daily routine. Every morning, she wakes up early, makes her bed, and prepares breakfast for her little brother.
Just the eggs now. Yay! Thank you.
She always starts her day with a big smile. One Monday morning, something went wrong. Amma woke up late because her alarm didn't ring. She opened her eyes and quickly looked at the time. "Oh no, I'm late," she said nervously. She got dressed very fast and ran to the kitchen. Her little brother was sitting there, waiting and feeling hungry. Amma felt sorry and said, "I'm sorry. I forgot to make breakfast." She quickly made some toast and eggs.
Okay, adding the jam now. You're the best sister. Here you go. Be careful, it's hot.
While they were eating, Amma suddenly remembered something important. "Oh no, my school bag," she said. She had forgotten to prepare it. Amma ran to her room and quickly put her books, notebooks, and homework in her bag. She was in a big hurry, but she tried to stay calm. On her way to school, Amma saw an elderly woman carrying heavy grocery bags. The woman looked tired. Even though Amma was late, she stopped and said, "Can I help you?" The woman smiled, and Amma helped her carry the bags to her house. "Thank you, dear. You are very kind," the woman said. Amma felt happy inside. When Amma arrived at school, she was a little late. During the class, she realized she forgot one assignment at home. She felt worried, but she decided to be honest.
"I will be honest. I forgot my assignment at home."
She went to her teacher and said, "I'm sorry. I forgot my homework at home." The teacher smiled and said, "That's okay, Amma. Honestly is very important. Thank you for telling the truth." After school, Amma went back home. She was tired, but she felt proud of herself. She learned something important that day. She understood that even when the day is busy and full of mistakes, being kind, honest, and helpful is what really matters.
Hey, remember when we tried to fit that last piece and it was totally backwards? We looked so silly.
That evening, Amma made a small plan for the next day. She wrote, "Wake up early, prepare my school bag, help at home, always be kind." Amma smiled and said, "Tomorrow will be better."